Hey everyone, welcome back my channel. Today we are going to dive deep into the iPhone 14 Pro 1 year after its release. I have been using it as my daily driver and it's time to share my long time thoughts. Let's get started. By the way, iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max also available in the market. The iPhone 14 Pro's design has held up to impressively well. The premium build quality, touchback and steel-less steel frame still feel too premium. The sleek design with minimum bezel and a middle punch-hole camera continues to be visually appealing. Overall, the iPhone 14 Pro design is excellent. The 6.1-inch Super Retina HDR OLED display on the iPhone 14 Pro is absolutely astounding. The colors are vibrant and the contrast is top-notch. It's incredibly sharp, making everything from browsing to media consumption a joy. As for performance, the A16 chipset inside the device is a beast. It handles any task I throw at effortlessly, whether it's gaming, multitasking, or editing high-resolution videos. The camera system of the iPhone 14 Pro is a photographer's dream. The triple lens setup with improved sensor and competition photography feature deliver outstanding results. The low light performance is exceptional and the night mode has gotten even better. The Pro RAW and ProRes capability add a professional touch. As expected, the iPhone 14 Pro runs the latest iOS, which brings a host new features and refinements. Software experience have been smooth and snappy, with the regular update ensure optimize the performance. Additional features like Face ID, Apple Pay, and of course the Siri make daily tasks simple and secure. In terms of battery life, the iPhone 14 Pro has been impressed. Even after 1 year of use, the battery life has held up well, and I can easily get a full day battery life of a heavy use. After 1 year of using the iPhone 14 Pro, I can confidently say that it's an excellent device. For its astounding design and top-notch performance and incredible camera system, it's a true flagship phone. If you are in the market for a premium smartphone experience, the iPhone 14 Pro is definitely worth it considering. Okay, that is for today's video. If you enjoyed this long time review of iPhone 14 Pro, be sure hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more tech related content. Let me know your thought in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.